Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Wanted to ask you guys if you could do me a favor. If you're watching these videos and checking out the channel and you like what you see, if you guys could hit the subscribe button for me, we would really appreciate that. We are working our way to trying to get monetized so that we can build bigger and better cars and more builds and so on and so forth and keep doing this. And that would help us a lot if you guys could do that for us. So that's really all I got for you. Really appreciate all of you. Stay tuned. We've got lots of cool builds coming. Lots of things starting to happen on a lot of different cars. So it won't just be the Thing. It's going to be the Thing, the 40 Ford, the Apache. There's going to be a lot of things happening. So just stay tuned, and I will try my best to get you as many videos as I can, including Don's 1957 Chevy two-door post that we're working on. There's a lot going on over there too. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for everything. We really appreciate you. Have a great night.
Hey guys, I give to you the new drivetrain for the Apache pickup truck. This is a 454 that we're getting from Don. It's part of the deal for working on his car. But yeah, it's got all the accessories, got everything on it, which is a good start. So this is, I got to do all the numbers and all the things, but it is definitely a 454. At some point I'll probably pull the valve cover and see what heads are on it and go on that road, but this is the new engine for the Apache. I plan to tear this down and completely rebuild it. What I think I want to do is maybe go 60 over and 30 to 60 over and put a set of the, I found a guy that has a set of brand new ZZ502 cylinder heads. Maybe do that and a maybe the 502 cam or some kind of cool cam that still allows us to have power brakes. I still want to have vacuum, but yeah, put some headers on this thing, aluminum intakes, and nice valve covers, do the whole deal, and I think this will look good in there. So anyway guys, I just wanted to bring this to you. I thought it was cool. So this is our guy. There's some numbers. Looks like 140-15445. GM T14. Yeah, I'm not sure, but it's here. God, that's a monster too. Forget how big blocks are. I know that sounds stupid, but massive. And there's the Turbo 400 that's coming with it. Transmission that I have a good Turbo 400 that I'm going to put onto it, but this one will just be a spare. We'll have rebuilt for another project down the road. But yeah, there you go, guys. I'll run the numbers and come back to you with what exactly this is. Stay tuned.